Hey, everybody. Good morning, everybody. How is everybody doing on this amazing Friday? I'm feeling good. I'm feeling fresh. I'm feeling ready to attack the markets today. Hope you're all feeling good. Hope you're all feeling awake and refreshed. Some of you guys are in the US. I bet you're tired as fuck. I'm personally feeling okay. It's 11:30 a.m. here, so I'm awake. I've had my iced coffee. I've had a piece of sourdough. I'm ready to go. I'm already hungry, and I had my sourdough like an hour ago. So that's going to be an issue for the stream. So if you hear me complaining I'm hungry the whole day, then I'm sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. Oh, I did not update. Oh, I'm silly. I'm so silly. Hold on. I'm going to do this while on stream because you all don't care. I know you're all fine with me just messing around with the stream settings just while I'm on stream. Okay. Okay. What just happened? Oh, damn. That is not correct whatsoever. Okay. That's... Oh, wait. Why is it just, like, not working? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? All right, I'll change it after today then. It's fine. It's whatever. The only thing that's wrong with it is TradeSync are not doing 50% off yet, so I did make a new one, but then I never added it. So TradeSync is not 50% off, I'm sorry. Sorry to tell you. I know, I need the fucking promo codes, guys. How am I gonna survive without my affiliate commissions? Damn. That's a joke. That's a joke. Hey, everybody. Oh, yeah. Discord live. Thank you. You're the best. Let's not show my chats with people. Let's not do that. You know what? You guys just see everything on here. I just share my number, share everything because I'm silly. That T needs to be a capital right away. Start the stage. All right, we're here. We're ready to rock and roll. Sharing my screen. We're sharing everything. Let's go. All right. So, good morning, everybody. You are right. I do need eggs with the sourdough, but I have the egg ache right now, like really badly. Like I can't eat eggs. The only eggs I can eat are fried eggs, but I'm also lazy, so that is too much effort for me. Usually I have overnight oats, but I just didn't this morning because I was being lazy, and now I am experiencing the repercussions of being lazy because I'm starving. So, current price updates then. We've swept London low and we've swept London high on ES. We're about to sweep London high on NQ also. ES is about to sweep Asia high, so that's something, I guess. Currently, I don't have any fibs lining up on ES. Not really. ES does not look clean to me. However, NQ, we have two -2.5s alongside midnight open, which is my only rejection zone we have right now. So yeah, honestly, I would prefer for us to sweep this, come back down. We have some fibs from the top and then we catch continuation longs, but we might not get that, so I'm just going to be prepared for every scenario. We are coming into an hourly bearish gap, so maybe we could experience that. That would be cool. That would be nice. That would be great. I would love if we did that. I don't know what the started line is. Let's get rid of that. But we do have a lot of buy-side liquidity above us. See, we had a perfect rejection zone right here, and I'm going to draw it out for you. You can see the pain that I have been through this morning. So we had this little swing right there, and we had this, maybe? No. This? No. What the heck was it? This? Yes. This was my rejection zone for this morning, from Asia high and from London high. Boom. Look at the flipping bodies. We had our 2 green candle closures, but we just never retraced for my entry, like ever. Like, we still have not retraced to 0.5, which, you know, is another reason to short, I guess. But I think we could potentially sweep, rebalance into this range, and then continue higher. That's what I'm kind of hoping for. Especially because we're trading into a bearish gap. I don't have any fibs in order to profit off those shorts, so I'm hoping for some sort of long. I don't know. We're just going to wait until price decide what it wants to do. But yeah, we have put in some major SMT, but I just don't have any fibs, so I can't take shit. Can't take shit, unfortunately. The only fib I have is this 2.5 right here. I don't have a fib. No! We're not doing this again. What just happened? Did I just disconnect, guys, or not? Let me know. Oh, what just happened? We're not doing this again. I haven't taken any trade, don't worry. Wait, I'm gonna make sure, because last time this happened because my Wi-Fi box wasn't plugged in properly due to my errors. So I'm gonna make sure it's plugged in first. She's plugged in. She's plugged in. I don't know what just happened. Please say this is not going to be a thing. Again. Can't deal with that. Oh, really? What? That's so weird. My voice and video is out of sync. Fuck. Is it still like that? Is it still bad? I'm good. Out of sync. Fuck. What do I do? What do I do? Hold on. Let's try turning off the video and turning off the mic and trying again. The only... Hello? Hello? Is this better? Oh, people said it's fine. No volume? There is volume. I wouldn't worry about that. Okay, someone said you gotta refresh. Hey, the CH zone! That makes me so happy that someone said they needed the CH zone. That's fucking goated. That actually makes me so happy. All right, it's good now. Sorry, I've denim shorts on and they're not giving me much breathing room. I just wish I could find another fib. I wish I could find another fib. Like, I guess this is a fib, but I don't want to force anything today. We've had such a great week. That's not even clean. Not even clean. I'm not even, like, rolling with that. Like, we do have AMD. So one of the things I say is, like, okay, I'll accept one fib. We have AMD and SMT, and we do have both of those things. So there's fucking A and M that's going on right now. I don't know what this wick was. I want to look on Financial Juice and see if I can spot that anywhere. This was at 622. I don't see anything. I don't think there was anything. I just wanted to do that, apparently. Okay. Oh, okay, fair enough. I have no fibs on anything. Just nothing's happening yet. I just hate everything. This is the only spot where I have fibs all the way up here. So we'll just be patient. I've had literally the best week ever, so I'm not going to force anything, for sure. I'm not going to mess that shit up right now. If I take a loss today, I don't care. But if we take a good loss, then I don't care. That's absolutely fine. But if I take a bad loss, then I'm going to be like, for fuck's sake, what are you doing? You silly woman. You silly, silly, silly woman. Oh my gosh, guys. Do you want to see a picture of me on a motorbike when I was brunette and also a bit chubby? Well, there you go. Wow, I really didn't want to see that. I really didn't want to see that today. Wow, great. Claudia, can you show me your fib settings? Of course I can. There you go. You are a fib killer, Claudia. Thank you. I appreciate that. Image quality is 8K. Is that good? I don't know this shit. I don't know this shit. Look, this is my fib settings. Everyone take a fucking screenshot and put these fib settings on your chart right now. Otherwise, you won't be able to trade the goddamn CH zones. And they're goated. So far, I think I've taken 4 trades on 2 streams and we're 4 of 4 so far. 4 out of 4. How many R's are we up? Overall. I did not journal my trade yesterday. I'm the worst. You know what? Can you guys like start forcing me to journal my trades on stream? Like I'll just put my trades out on the screen and you guys can just like force me to journal because I always forget to journal. Hey, good morning. Good morning, good morning. All right, you should have been able to screenshot by now, surely. Surely you got it. I'm kind of hoping that we like trade down and then I catch some longs. That's what I would prefer, to be honest. I don't know. I don't really like this PA. This PA is not amazing. Like we've already swept out every session liquidity on ES, so I have to be super careful today, to be honest. Like my logic is still there because usually if we sweep London high or London low pre 7 a.m, then I will anticipate that to get purged. But like we're sweeping both pre 7 a.m, so I'm like, what the fuck do I do? I don't know. Yeah, I'll show you how. I'll show you how I journal in a bit when I do journal. I gotta journal my trades from yesterday, so we can do that on stream for sure. I need to do that. I need to do that for real. Like, look at this SMT. Oh, look at my brain from yesterday. Get rid of that. Kind of annoying. Eval trade. All right, that's London high swept on NQ. On NQ. Like technically the only target left we have is Asia high. So like it makes sense to take longs more than shorts in my eyes. But I'd want to see like a retrace because this whole range that we have right here is imbalanced, which is why I didn't manage to get a freaking entry into my trade because I was waiting for the rebalance after these 2 green candles and we just never rebalanced. So now I'm just like, fuck. Because that was a high-key, really clean rejection out of my CH zone, but it didn't happen. So, you know, whatever. So I'm expecting a retrace. What is this dotted line? Because it's lining up perfectly with 0.5 here and I don't know what it is. It is... What is this? What is this line? Is it the 0.5 of this wick? Why was I using that yesterday? I have no idea why I was using that yesterday. I'll be real. No idea. But anyway, lines up perfectly, so that's nice. Either we take continuation longs and we project some fibs from the top and we rebalance and we continue, or we take the shorts from my CH zone here. This is literally the only zone I can come up with right now. Yeah, I'm going to be super cautious today. PA is not looking the best. These longs were definitely the highest probability thing I can see right now. But we didn't get the entry. Dang it. But we have a whole unbalanced range below. So like I wouldn't mind shorts from here because we always have to rebalance, right? This whole thing is imbalanced. So if we reject out the CH zone, which lines up with true day open, I think that's pretty clean still. Or we take the continuation longs because I'm anticipating Asia high to get swept because that's the only target available. So we have 2 trade options still in my eyes. But yeah. Good morning. Do you like CVD divergence plus open interest strategy? I have no idea what that is. I'll be real. I have no idea. Hey Claudia, I said hi to you at the expo right before you had to go to speak. It was nice to meet you. Oh my gosh, I felt so bad. I felt like the biggest prick in the world. So I don't remember your name. Like, please excuse me. I'm the worst with names anyway, especially on that day because I was so overwhelmed. So do you want to know why I'm bad with names? Because I am so, when I meet people, I'm so focused on like how I'm acting that I will ask for someone's name and not actually consume the information that they have just given me because I'm too focused on like am I being a fucking weirdo? So someone tells me their name, I'm like, oh, nice to meet you, and then I just forget to even like comprehend what name they have just told me. I have done that so many times, an unbelievable amount of time. Something I'm trying to work on. But yeah, so I met this guy right before I was due to go on to speak at the expo, and I felt like the biggest prick in the world because I went, I'm so sorry, I have to go on stage to speak. Like, shut up. Like that is just like, what? I felt like the biggest prick in the world. That's something like Michael Jackson would say, you know what I mean? Like, I'm sorry, I can't talk to you, I've got to go on stage. I don't know, I felt like a prick. Guys, the CH zone is not it's not an ICT concept. I promise, the CH zone is not an ICT concept. It's literally my zone that I create. It's this pink box that I create out of standard deviation levels, but I've just called it the CH zone for Claudia and Hannah. We've been back testing it a ton. It's not actually like, that's not a real name. Yeah, it's literally so hot. It's nice and cool in my office though, for some reason. Usually it's boiling in here, but I walked in and I was like, oh my gosh, this is surprisingly cool. What is going on? Yeah, it's the Claudia Hannah zone. And before anybody like starts on me, I'm aware that me and Hannah and I, whatever, did not create standard deviation. I'm completely aware that we did not create that concept. The only reason I've started calling it the CH zone, and I find it funny because people have started saying it in the chat now, is because when we were backtesting, we were like, yeah, our rejection zone, and we would type it out, and then I'd spell rejection wrong like 3 different times, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not doing this, I'm calling it the CH zone. Like, this is too many letters for me to type. Like, that is literally why. Like, it's too many syllables, so I've called it the CH zone. Andrew, stop. I felt like such a weirdo. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I actually have to go on stage, so I literally can't talk to you. Like, sorry. Ew, that's the worst. That's actually the worst. Ooh, I like this. Wait, hold up. Is that swing low? Yes. Thank goodness for that. Yes. Yes. Absolutely yes. Right, now I need a little swing low put in. Come on, give me a swing low. Ooh. Right, no. I want a different manipulation. Maybe we can use the 5 minute. That's the 5 minute. No, that's bullshit. That's bullshit. Rubbish. And I've been afraid of changes, 'cause I'm lose myself. I've definitely got the words really right to that song. Don't worry about me. So I draw my CH zones in standard deviation levels that are in close proximity. So I predominantly trade reversals from -2.5 or -4. So if I find two standard deviations of -2.5 or -4 from different locations lining up in the same spot, for example, we have two -2.5s here, I'll just draw a box around it and I will see that as like my rejection zone. And if we reject out of that area, then I will take the trade, basically. Yeah, I'm looking for continuation longs. My logic still stands. If we sweep London high or London low pre 7 a.m., then I will expect this to get swept out. So I'm expecting that to get swept out. I'm expecting Asia high to get taken, and I'm also expecting us to rebalance. So it makes sense for us to rebalance and continue. I'm just trying to find some fibs which makes sense to rebalance around here. I like this -4. This hasn't actually put in a swing low, which I'm kind of happy about. Oh, wait, no, it literally has. Oh, no, it hasn't. It hasn't. I'm hoping for us to put in a swing low so that this -2.5 can line up, like, around here so that it's close to this -4. Because then we'll have our zone near 0.618. We got 0.618, we got -4 and a -2.5, and we're anticipating longs anyway because of two different reasons. That is unbelievable. Wow. Fantastic. Right, I don't want you to do that. Oh, fuck. Now you're really going crazy. Oh, damn. Okay. Whew. I don't like that. What about that? Nope, I don't like that either. Why is it being such a bitch? Wait, that literally is. Is that a swing low? I can't even see. No, it's not. Now I have to find the best manipulation. That is just the manipulation that makes sense. I guess this is our box then at 0.705. That is our, if we put in a swing low right there, that is. Let's see if ES looks any better. Any better. ES is also imbalanced, by the way. As you can see. OTE. Let me make this slightly bigger. And then, okay. Little manipulation, bib. Okay. All right, now I need a swing. I need a swing low, please. That's not bad either. I think NQ's cleaner though if we do end up putting in a swing low here. One minute. I would expect this 5-minute gap to hold though, so it would have to literally wick into our zone and push back out, I think, for me to be happy with this. So I want 0.618 to hold really, because that's what makes the most sense, and I wanted some fibs to line up near 0.618, but unfortunately, it says no. Let me see that. Yeah, no, that's not really working. I mean, I guess we have some at 0.5. But on a range like this, would I prefer it to retrace to 0.618? Yes, I absolutely would. So we have two zones. We have one at 0.5. I would really prefer us to trade to 0.618. In fact, I'm not even sure whether I would enjoy this trade at 0.5, to be honest. In ranges like this, I always expect 0.618 to get purged. The only case I wouldn't is if NQ was more bearish, so ES retraces to 0.618 and NQ just rebalances to 0.5, but yeah, NQ is more bearish, so yeah. Maybe this zone on ES, though, could be nice, because ES is more bearish, no, more bullish, so may only rebalance to 0.5. I don't know. I don't know. Bottle of water. I think we will rebalance back into this range, but I just don't have a reason to enter there. I don't have any fibs making sense for us to enter. I wouldn't be shocked if we rebalance right now, but we could easily go a little bit higher and then do that. So I don't want to try and short just because I think I want to be pretty confident. So I'm trying to catch the continuation longs if we can rebalance into this range. Yeah, I have the NQ chart and ES chart open, but I'll just execute on MNQ if I have a trade idea. Yeah, I think it'll want to get rid of this data whip for sure. But that makes sense because we wouldn't rebalance without sweeping that anyway. Also, guys, I'm doing a giveaway over on my X account. My X is on the screen. Maybe now, maybe in 15 seconds. You'll see it in a sec. So yeah, I'm doing a giveaway on there for hitting 1,000 followers. So it's free to enter. All you have to do is follow me on X, follow me on Instagram, and then just comment on my post on X. Giving away 2 Lucid Pro accounts, so feel free to go and join that if you feel like it. Feel free. And I've been afraid of changes, 'cause I feel myself around you. Oh, I'm boiling. I'm boiling hot. I'm boiling hot and dying. I don't trade the New York Open. I don't like the New York Open. The New York Open sucks. I'm donating all of my affiliate commissions to charity either today or tomorrow. If you didn't know, over the last month, any affiliate commissions from like people using my code at Lucid are going to be donated to charity, which is amazing. I've never done that before, but I thought no one's ever donated their affiliate commission, so I want to be the one to do it. And I wanted to do something for charity anyway, and the best way for me to raise money for charity is through affiliate commissions right now. Because my anything that I gain from affiliate commissions is just like extra money on the side. Like, yeah, I could technically donate my fucking not salary, but my payment that I get for my other work, like my data analysis work and stuff, but I'm like also trying to pay my bills. So I thought that's the best way for me to donate the biggest amount of money possible, but also still able to pay my bills. So I'm going to add 10% of whatever we've got. I'm going to add 10% to it as well. And then someone called Ducci Trades, he also messaged me and said he would add his affiliate commissions. He said he reckons it will be around $500, which is awesome. So we have another person adding to it. The charity is, I've already picked the charity. I was doing it for June, which is Men's Mental Health Month, which like means a whole lot to me and my family anyways. But I also thought a large majority of my audience is male. A lot of people in the trading space, people tend to come into trading because they are under financial pressure and want a way out. So I can imagine a lot of the men who follow me and stuff have struggled with mental health in the past, or struggled to speak out, or just anything in general, or people know a family member who has struggled. So that is why I'm donating to a men's mental health organization. It's called Andy's Man Club, and it is based in the UK, but they do like free online sessions, and like I think it's therapy sessions or just like someone anonymous for you to talk to who is trained in mental health, who can hopefully give people guidance. I'm fairly sure they also this was recommended to a few people on Instagram because I did like a questionnaire, like who should I which charity should I go for men's mental health wise, and they said that they also help with soldiers struggling with PTSD, I'm fairly sure, which is amazing. So yeah, I'm donating to that charity. I'll be able to see where we're at so far. I'm gonna do till like the end of today will be the grand total, and I'm gonna add 10%, and then we're gonna also have Marco's donations as well, hopefully, which is great. So we are at We're at just under $5,000. So we'll be over $5,000, including my 10%, which is absolutely unbelievable. Like, I'm so happy with that. Like, the fact that I can raise $5,000 for a charity is unbelievable, just using social media. So yeah, I'm gonna add whatever. Right now we're at $4,800, so I'll add my 10%. I'll add like $500, and then Marco is going to add his affiliate commissions as well. Whatever he's earned, he reckons it'll be around $500. So we'll be getting close to $6,000 donation, which is insane. I'm so happy with that. We did just sweep the high. I don't mind that though, because these fibs were not that nice. So maybe we'll get some nicer fibs, or maybe we'll take the shorts. Either or, I don't really mind. We're still bloody imbalanced. Right, delete my zones. My zones don't mean shit anymore. Don't mind that though. Alright, wow. Well, that's rubbish. Wait. Do we have a 5 minute? Oh, the 5 minute is the 1 minute. Don't do that to me. I don't want us to come all the way down to there. Why would you do that? Right, no, I need it to like do some other shit because I don't like that. Maybe it'll be cleaner on ES. Whatever it is, I don't like it. Maybe we have higher chance of the shorts right now, to be fair. That's what it's looking like anyways. Let me just delete this for a sec. There's a lot going on and I'm getting overstimulated by my charts right now, so I can imagine everybody else is as well. Okay. Do we have... Where have I got this box from again? No idea. Oh, it's from this. Okay. That makes sense, kind of. So we have a 2.5 and a -4 box up there on ES. This whole range is in balance, so we'll have that. Just no, just OTA. And then fib. No. Fib. Okay, that's not too shabby. That's not too shabby. Um, 2007 Halley. The lines are fib projections or standard deviations, whatever you want to call it. So I just use the fib tool. These are my fib settings if you want to take a screenshot and test them out or whatever, so that you can follow along. But I basically take reversal trades from standard deviations. So the reason why I've drawn this pink box here is because I take reversals from -2.5 or -4 standard deviations. And this is my little box. We also have midnight open lining up here, so this is a very high probability area for me to expect a reversal. So if we get some sort of bearish candle closures out of this box, then I will take the shorts. This is my OTE range, so we have 0.5, 0.618, 0.705. So this range is all in balance, so I'm expecting that to get rebalanced, so I can either take the shorts to rebalance, or I can take the shorts. I can either take the longs from rebalancing, or I can take the shorts from up here to rebalance. It will kind of depend what price wants to give me, but yeah, I basically trade reversals. It's definitely ICT. The best place to see ICTs like standard deviation, different bits and bobs is there's this really great guy on Twitter who I follow. On X. Let me find him. I think he was the first one to kind of discover -2 and -4. I'm gonna find him right now. He's really insane. Let me try find him. Give me, yes, he's called Trader Dex. I'm gonna put him in the chat. We've never spoke. Don't worry. I'm not like just advertising his shit, but yeah, I've learned quite a lot from his, to be honest. He's really cool. He's who like I got the idea from to project order blocks, which I haven't actually done. Oh, I'm so happy you asked me that. I forgot that I can do that. All right, we have this order block. Oh, okay. But I've been afraid of changes 'cause I've built myself around you. Okay, I don't really think that that is gonna... Oh, we have two... Oh, that is so nice, guys. You see that? We have two 2.5s lining up right there. From this 2-minute order block. Bam. Oh, that's so nice. I know I have a lot of shit on my chart right now, I'm sorry. But it makes sense to me, and that's all that matters. Wow, that is really clean. I would love shots from up here. We have midnight open and two 2.5s. My gosh, that's unbelievable. I love it. That's unbelievable. I don't understand one thing. Can you please tell me why long box finish here, still in long there, PM session afternoon, why this box ends here? Can you please tell me why? I'm struggling to understand your question. London box. Oh, it ends right here. This is an indicator, okay? So this London box right here is an indicator called ICT kill zones and pivots TFO. And this draws out the kill zone. So this is 2 until 5 a.m. EST. This is the London kill zone. So it just draws out the session for me. We're no longer in London kill zone, so that's why the box has ended. I don't really know my win rate. I haven't been trading this strategy too long, but my win rate over the last... All right, I can tell you my win rate in July so far. I know we're only 10 days in, but I can tell you my win rate in July because I really haven't been trading the strategy for very long at all. So this is not representative. 10 days does not give you a representative win rate whatsoever. So just keep that in mind. But my win rate for July is this all of my accounts? Yeah, this is just my funded. Is 68.75% with an average win to loss of 1.95. So this is my current July. Oh, you're not going to be able to see it properly. Sorry, I forgot. Wait, I'll just do it right here and make it a little bigger. There we go. Okay. So that's my win rate, average win to loss. And then that's my stats for July so far. Using this strategy. I've literally only just started properly implementing this, so that win rate is not representative whatsoever. It could go up, it could go down, I have no idea. Trying to just put the chat, oh, that's because the chat is right here. Nope. There we go. I think if you have a 90% win rate and you're still not making money, then you're doing something incredibly wrong. Your risk to reward must be like 0.1. That's just my fundeds. It doesn't include my evals. If I include my evals, let me put my eval. I don't even think I have my evals connected, all of them. I need to like reorganize this shit because half of these are not here. That one is, I've been using. I think I've just been trading that one actually. No, I traded another one yesterday, but I just passed it, so I'll have to add that account, but we won't get the eval stats. But yeah, it doesn't really change it a lot. But it changed the profit fact. Oh no. No, it didn't actually. yeah, that didn't really affect anything. I just took a couple wins on that, I think. I just passed one of the evals that I've been trading recently, so I won't be able to get the data, unfortunately. Midnight open on NQ is at 29,933. If you just literally go back to midnight on your chart and you see the open of the candle, you can then just mark it out yourself. But I personally have it on my indicator. So if you get the S&T Pro Plus indicator and you scroll down on, where is it? Okay, now I'm confused. Oh no, I'm on the, sorry. I mean ICT kill zones and pivots. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can turn on whatever times you want. So I have 8:30 and 9:30 on. I probably don't, I don't mind having 8:30 on, but yeah. I have midnight opening price on there. You can just tick it on. I have 50Ks. I have all 50Ks accounts now. I did have an 100K Alpha Futures standard account, which is what I got my first payout on, but I blew that. I put my stop loss usually 1 point below the swing low or 1 point above the swing high. But if the average candle range is a lot bigger than my stop loss, then I will go for the next closest standard deviation. So for example, if I wanted to short here, but my stop loss would be like right there above the swing high, and like our average candle size right now is like, you know, we have 18, you know, like 10-point candles. That stop loss doesn't make logical sense, so I will then put it at the next standard deviation, which in this case would be the -3. Nice. I mean, yeah, I'll always check my zones in terms of higher time frames. And I mean, it just makes sense to take short from midnight open anyway, in my eyes. And we are at the CE of the 4-hour wick. Oh my gosh, guys, please look at this. Oh my gosh, please look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at the CE of the 4-hour wick and look at the CE of my freaking zone. Oh my god, 0.5 points away. Oh my gosh, that's unbelievable. I want to take $5 million risk shorts. I'm going to short 40 minis from there. That's unbelievable. Is anyone else excited about that or not? Win rate is the most useless stat in trading. This is the thing. If you ask someone's win rate, if you ask for someone's win rate and you don't ask for them for their average risk to reward, it makes 0 sense. Because I could tell you my win rate is 40%, and you would probably be like, oh, that's shit. But if I then told you my average risk to reward was 8, you would be like, holy shit, you're a trading god. You should enter the Robbins Cup. Like, you know what I mean? And I've been afraid of changes 'cause I'm I know, I did say at the start of the stream, I have to update the the layout, I did try before, but it didn't work. I'm sorry, the 50% off doesn't work. You can use code Claudia30 for 30% off, but yeah, the 50% ran out, unfortunately. I'm sorry. My bias currently is bearish, but I'm open to either. So I'm open to either. If we, to be fair, I don't think I am open to either. I'm just bearish. I'm just bearish, I think. No, you know what? I'm open to either. So I want to short from this area, okay? We have my rejection zone, my CH zone, I like to call it, for Claudia and Hannah, lining up with the consequent encroachment of the 4-hour wick, as well as true day open, or midnight open, whatever you want to call it. So this zone for me is high probability to reject from and for me to take shorts. However, if we do not come up to that zone and we decide to retrace and rebalance this area, so this whole leg that I've drawn out with the 0, 0.5, 0.618, etc., the whole area is imbalanced. So I'm expecting price to come down here to rebalance, which is another reason why I would want to short from here. If we come back and rebalance, I would be happy to try and take some longs out of this area because this is now a discounted area. And we have Asia high, New York PM session high as targets still available. So I would be happy to take longs or shorts depending on the circumstance. But we do currently have some bearish SMT because ES has taken out Asia high. Code Claudia30 gets you 30% off Trade Sinker. Whoever is saying win rate is joke, it means he takes 1 to 20 risk to reward, or he is just new to trading. Only 20% win rate. He might want 30 risk to reward. Mum, who know? No, so you guys have to do the maths, right? Once you do this maths, you'll start realizing how important risk to reward is. Okay, I'm gonna get a table up for you, but I'll probably be able to find one on Google. Images. All right, here we go. I got an image. Let's bring her up. Let me just zoom in. Oh no. Here we go. Okay. If you trade 1-to-1 risk to reward and you have a 20% win rate, you're not profitable. Same with 2-to-1, 3-to-1. You have a 1-to-4 risk to reward, but you have a 20% win rate, you'll be break even. But if you have a 30% win rate, you'll be profitable. So if you have a 1-to-4 average risk to reward and a 30% win rate, you're profitable. If you have 1-to-5, but your win rate is 20%, you are profitable. You have to look at this table and realize how important risk to reward is. You can win 1 out of 5 trades. But if your average risk to reward is 1-to-5, you will be profitable. Fucking insane. You can lose 4 out of 5 trades. You can win Monday and lose Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But as long as your risk to reward is 1-to-5, you will win. Because if you think, on Monday, you would make 5R. On Tuesday, you would lose 1R. So that's 4R. On Wednesday, you would lose 1R. So that's 3R. On Thursday, you would lose 1R. So that's 2R. On Friday, you would lose 1R. So you are left with 1R. You have made 1R on the week. You are green on the week with a 20% win rate. You have to do the maths and figure it out. I would love to attempt the Robbins Cup. I would love to attempt the Robbins Cup. I 100% would do it if I felt confident enough to do it, for sure. I don't feel like I would like bottle under the pressure or anything, because I don't feel like I have much of an ego about me. I don't know. Everybody has an ego to some extent, but I don't feel like I have crazy ego going on. Robbins Cup is a joke. Really? Well, like not even necessarily the Robbins Cup, but I know like Tradeify did a trading competition. I just want to do a competition or something. I feel like it'd be really fun. And I feel like winning the Robins Cup does prove something. I feel like everybody respects the Robins Cup. I feel like it's more just like a respect thing, which is not something that I particularly care about, but it's like the first trading competition I ever heard of because I watched so much ICT. So to me, it would mean a lot to like even place in the Robins Cup, you know? Time we're on 20 past 7. Yesterday we were on trade number 2 by this time. Actually, no, we weren't. We took some bangers yesterday. For real. We took some. Ooh, I like this -4. I like this -4. That's nice. No, 0.618. 15 minute? 5 minute? No one does it since it was exposed. Oh, I didn't even know that. I did not go to Ivan's workshop. I was very much asleep. Why is price not on chart? What do you mean? Oh, it's just not showing on my OBS. Hold on. There you go, sweetheart. It's on my chart. I don't know about yours. I honestly don't need the price to take a trade, though. I'm not gonna lie. We do a giveaway. I'm gonna set a like goal for a giveaway. Let me see how many likes we're on right now. Bear with me. We have 290 people watching in the 72 likes. Are you kidding me? What's that all about? Do you hate me? All right, once we hit 150 likes, we can do a giveaway. I'll give away a Lucid account. Ugh. Guys, my hay fever today is not good at all. I was on the prop firm match stream, yeah. I was indeed. I've been on there a few times now. It's really fun. I like it. You took 20 trades yesterday? That's crazy, bro. You gotta take time off the charts. You gotta I take like 3 trades max a day, I feel. The only time I'll take more than 2 trades is if I get break even and I want to re-enter. I think this ship may just come up and then we can take the shorts. I have a lot of conviction for shorts from there, to be honest. In terms of the 4 hour, it looks nice. 15 minute. 5 minute makes sense. It makes sense. I feel it makes sense. Let me draw some fibs. Oh, jeez. Let me draw some fibs on EF. Wow. Let me just. Okay, so I had this 2.5. Let me also project the 2 minute order block. Okay, that's not too bad. That's nice. Let me make this bigger. That's the 2-minute order block. Okay, I like that. With a sweep also. Okay, we have 2 potential zones on ES. That lines up with previous days. Asia high, I think. Oh no, this is like ages ago Asia high. Last Monday's Asia high and also New York PM high. So we take out the equal highs and reverse. I could see that happening also. Oh, where are we going? Where are we going, Queen? What are we doing? Okay. Okay, what are we doing here? I like that -4. What the fuck is this about? There is no 5-minute manipulation lag. Brilliant. What about an order block? What about an order block? 3-minute. 4-minute. 5-minute. 5-minute order block. They are very close in proximity. Hey. Sorry guys, I can't stop singing. I've got what is it called? I always do this. I start speaking without my brain. Like my mouth is talking, but my brain's not engaged. What was I even just saying? Yeah, literally brain fart. I haven't taken anything yet. I would be looking for longs if we rebalance, but I'm looking for shorts if we come up to my rejection zone up here. I want to also project this order block. Yes, it's oh, Fleetwood Mac. That's it. That's what I was saying. Sorry. Brain dead. Auntie, how are you? I'm good. How are you? I love it when people call me Auntie. I find it funny. Auntie. You know what? If we can get something out of 0.618 in these -4s, I have a -4 from the 5-minute order block projection, which is, I'll draw like a little gray box around there so you guys can see. And we have a 1-minute manipulation lag and 0.618 of the range. We got 15-minute fair value gap. Just resting above, so we could wick down. Yeah, I don't mind that. I think that's pretty nice. Let's see if we have anything on ES lower. Okay, let me redraw out this imbalance range. Because we have a lot on the chart today, I'm sorry. There's a lot going on. It's a lot, I'm sorry, it's a lot. Okay, we have, oh, that's nice. Of that -4 near 0.618. Maybe I project the order block, honestly. That order block. No. Sorry, 2-minute? Yeah. The 2-minute order block. Oh, wow, yeah. It's very, very, very clean. Boom. There's my CH zone. I need to change this name. How do I change the name? I don't know. I'm just gonna make a new one. CH zone. There we go. Nice. Yeah, that's nice. I like this zone. Let me set an alert on ES. I'm gonna observe NQ, but I do kind of think that ES looks nicer with that order, with this 1 minute order block. 2 minutes, sorry. This is a 2 minute order block. I want to just add some text. Hello? There we go. And then I'll add some text on here also. I'll make it a little bigger because I understand that it's not that easy to read when you're watching. There we go. Never love me, no. And don't say that she's pretty. I do use SMT as an extra confluence, and I use it to determine my bias more than anything. I don't use rejection blocks now. Time cast a spell on you, but you won't forget me. I know I could have loved you, but you would not let me. Wow, that song like does something to me. The best song ever. Actually not my favorite song in the world, but it's up there. Definitely up there for sure. Wow. I'll follow you down to the sun. I want you. You'll never get away from the sound. You know what I find funny? Sometimes people on Instagram, when I post my trades, they comment and they're like, oh, she's demo trading. I know she's demo trading because of this, this, and this. Because they don't expect a girl to live stream, I don't think. So I just respond and say, oh, I did actually live stream this on my YouTube. You can go check out the full recording. It's 2 hours long. And like, they never reply. It's called Silver Springs by Fleetwood Mac. All right, we are coming down. We're coming down. I don't know which I would take this on. I think I would take this on ES because ES is more bullish, and I prefer the fib on ES, honestly. Am I logged in and all that jazz? Yeah, I think I'm on the right. Yeah, this is my leader account now. All right. No, I'm not a singer. Definitely not a singer. I think I'll stick to trading for now. Don't time cast a spell on you. Are you a singer, part-time trader, or part-time singer? I'm not a singer. Yeah, my accent disappears because I'll like sing exactly like they sing it, otherwise it sounds weird. I don't know what a breaker block is, dog. Yeah, I'm a bathroom singer. Yeah, I'm targeting longs. We still have Asia high open. So I did have issues with TradeSync, but they were a complete user error, right? And I didn't know that you could do this. I'm not familiar with copy traders. So my issue that I had was I had instant market execution mode on, and I'm fairly sure that's the default. But because I always enter my trade with limits every single time, I shouldn't have that on, because basically I set my take profit as a limit order, not a market order. So if you have instant market execution order option on, then when your limit gets filled, it will then copy that fill across to all of your other accounts like it would with the market order, rather than setting limits on every single account in the same spot so that they all get filled at the exact time when it crosses there. So that was the issue I had. I got like slipped a little bit a couple of times, but then I messaged the guys and I was like, guys, is there a way that I can fix this? Because I've blown an account, and they were like, oh my gosh, you've got it on the wrong setting. And I was like, oh my gosh, you're right. So it was literally my fault. I'm not Russian, no, I'm British. Yeah, potential trade loading, we'll see. See whether we get a little rejection out of my CH zone. We'll see. I prefer it on ES though, so I'm going to monitor ES. We have equal highs stacked above on NQ and ES, which is nice. I'm just going to like extend those out. They are nice. And we got those on ES too. We got stacked equal highs. Guys, I'm just going to quickly go fill my water bottle up. No, I've had no issues regarding ghost orders. All of your accounts disconnect over the weekend. So on a Monday, you literally just have to click reconnect, and that's it. And if you obviously gain a new funded account or you buy another account, you have to delete the connection and re-log in. But that's kind of self-explanatory. You would have to do that with any trade copier so that it can stay updated. But I've never had any ghost orders or anything like that. I don't know what just happened. I'm so sorry. It wasn't like... that was really weird, because that wasn't like the last time. Like last time when I kept getting disconnected, like my charts would freeze also, but this, like my charts didn't freeze. So I feel like that's not a connection issue. That's something else. I have no idea. Sorry, let me answer your question now. When do you think it's the right time to buy more than one account and copy trade? I'm currently on my first funded account. I think, so I started copy trading before I got my first payout. And the reason for that was I wanted to limit the number of trades that I take on a funded account. So if I'd taken one loss on my funded account, I wanted to still trade, because I saw another setup. I wanted to gain the experience from still trading. I would take that on an eval. But I don't think you need to copy trade necessarily unless you end up passing an eval through just trading that on the side. You know what I mean? If you end up passing it, then for sure copy trade them. But initially I didn't copy trade. When I just had two funded accounts, I didn't copy trade. I would trade them separately. And this just kind of helped my psychology a little bit, because then everything isn't on the line in one trade. Now, obviously it means if you do get to a payout, it's going to be slower. and it's going to be a smaller amount, but I was happy with that. I was patient with my payout, super patient, and it meant that I'm always going to have a funded account, because if I blow one, then the other one is going to be a completely different like P&L and stuff. So yeah, look at this, rejecting out of 0.5. And Q did not rebalance, so I don't trust it. I don't trust it, sorry. Yeah, I copy trade an alpha funded, and then I have 4 lucid fundeds right now. Right now, I copy trade all of my funded accounts because I started them at different times. They're all at slightly different P&Ls, which is nice because it means if one blows, another one is going to be nowhere near from blowing, because they are at very different stages. So, yeah. Time cast a spell on you, but you won't forget me. I know I could have loved you. I mean, we do actually technically have 2.5s here, but we just haven't rebalanced on NQ, so I don't like it. I don't like one of the assets rebalancing and the other not doing. That to me is like a red flag, to be honest. And I'm definitely not forcing anything at this stage in the week because I've just had like the best trading week ever so far. So I'm just being super conservative, especially because PA isn't the cleanest today. I just want to be super careful, really. We do have a -4 right there. Wait, that's so clean on ES though. You see that? That's very clean. We have this manipulation and this OTE giving us a 2.5 and a -4, and we've now rejected. I like it, I just don't like the fact we haven't rebalanced on NQ. That's my only problem. Yeah. BB hate. Let me just make sure that we definitely have not rebalanced. Let me make sure I've got everything correct to the tick. Yeah, that's correct to the tick. And this did not rebalance. All right, I'm fine with this then. I'm not. I don't think the longs will play right now, and if they do, then they're gonna go without us, and I'm not gonna take an entry, and that's fine. It's glitching. Damn. Really? In what way? In what way is it glitching? Try refreshing the page, because after we disconnected last time, I think people said once they refreshed the page, it was okay again. Fine for you? Okay, cool. Did we reach the like goal yet? Let me see. Guys, we're doing a giveaway at 150 likes. What are you playing at? Like the goddamn stream. And we'll get a Lucid Pro giveaway going. Oh, Alan, could you send the Discord link? I never pinned it. Sorry, I didn't pin it. I'm the worst. Boom, 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 time gets the spell on you. The stream keeps pausing? No. Okay, people are saying it's fine. Maybe just try refreshing the page. Okay, people are saying all good. Let me just pin the Discord real quick. Okay, did we hit the like goal? We hit the like goal. Let's go. All right, let's do a Lucid Pro giveaway on the stream. I'm going to give away 150k Lucid Pro. All you have to do is join the Discord community. The Discord community is pinned in the chat from Alan, my amazing mod. So you got to join the Discord and head to the announcements tab. So I'm going to show you right here. So, oh, we got 25 people in the Discord audience. That's nice. We don't usually have many in the Discord audience. Shout out you guys. Okay. So to join the giveaway, you're going to head into the announcements tab once you've joined my Discord using the link pinned in the YouTube chat. And then in the announcements tab, you are going to see the giveaway pop up very, very soon, and you'll be able to just click enter. Yeah, this is just live on YouTube and my Discord. I'm planning to stream onto TikTok from next week. Alan is going to start the giveaway very, very soon. We're going to put 3 minutes on the clock for the giveaway for you guys to enter. This just avoids any bots or anything entering, so we keep it super fast. So yeah, just head to the announcements tab, wait there, and we'll see the giveaway pop up anytime soon. Boom. All right, the giveaway's here. Just click enter right here and you'll be entered into the giveaway. We got 3 minutes on the clock, so the winner will be announced at 12:50. Damn, your country's banned with Lucid? Oh, that's so annoying. They're relatively new, so I'm hoping they're going to add some new countries soon. We just rebalance right there. Guys, you got 2 minutes left on the giveaway. 2 minutes left to enter the Lucid giveaway. Fuck yeah. You mostly trade crypto? Oh my gosh, I've never traded crypto before. Aww. Your country's in the restricted list? Damn it. That's sad. I don't want to. I probably don't. I've dabbled with crypto on the odd occasion, and yeah. It didn't go well. 1 minute left on the giveaway, guys. 50 seconds, 50 seconds. Why are you guys reacting with flags? Love your stream. Thank you so much. That's so kind. Oh, please come down. That will make me so happy. Please come down. Because I was considering this, but I was like, no, I don't have faith in it. I'm hoping that... Oh, Trudeau Open's lining up with 0.5 on ES, so that's actually quite nice. But whatever. Whatever. All right, who won the giveaway? 1 second. It should announce. Boom, at Daniel. This is Daniel. You won the giveaway. Please open a ticket. I cannot find my hashtag button to save my freaking life, by the way, on this keyboard. Like, I cannot find it. Where is it? Because I just put these keycaps on myself and it's meant to be above number 3, but it just isn't. That's the pound sign, so I have no idea where my hashtag is. If anyone could let me know where they think it might be on my keyboard. But yeah, Daniel, please open a ticket and I will send you your 100% off discount code very, very soon. Congratulations. Congratulations. Let's go. I know I could have loved you, but you would not let me. Good morning. W. We'll do another giveaway towards the end. Maybe. If we get a winning trade, I definitely will. No trade for me yet. Just waiting. I like the idea of longs, but not yet. I don't like longs out of here, to be honest. Stick to trading. Whatever. Whatever. Yeah, this is a 50k pro account. Jingle bell rock. Water. I'm not from London now. I'm from the UK, but not London. I live like 4 hours away from London. See whether these longs actually play from here or not. I'm intrigued. Not clean enough for me though. And was I just singing Jingle Bell Rock? What? Honestly, this has happened so many times where I've been singing something and people have been like, what are you singing? And I'm like, I don't know. I didn't even realize I was singing. It's just my brain. Like, that's my subconscious mind talking to you without me even like knowing. Not even like awake. Not even there. Not even there. You're welcome, Daniel. Enjoy. Make sure to keep us updated with your progress in the Discord. In the Discord community. I love American I was saying this yesterday, I think. I love it when Americans try and do a British accent. It's the funniest shit ever. Are you all right, mate? They go like that. So funny. It's hella funny. Guys, a ton of people have opened tickets in my Discord when they didn't win the giveaway. I think they miss, like, read what I was saying. CBH. Someone added me and said no shorts yet. I'm almost at TP. That's funny. I got so many ats in the chat. Do an American accent. Okay, what should I say in American? I've never been to Cornwall. I'd love to go. It looks beautiful. Yeah, I actually would have deleted my limit on this. I don't like it when we chop around before retracing to 0.5. It looks like we retraced to 0.5, but remember, this candle was put in right here, and we never retraced, so we then have to extend our fib. So I don't like it if we take ages to fill my limits, because here it's accumulating. So I want to see it manipulate and then see the distribution. So why have I still got my limits there? So yeah. I mean, we'll still see whether it plays out. If it does, then we miss out, whatever. I'd rather not take a trade that I'm not 100% confident in than miss out, you know? Ooh. What's going on here, NQ? Maybe we'll play an S&T. Maybe it could be clean. Kind of down if we actually rebalance and put in S&T. My issue was we're not balanced. All right, we put in S&T right now, to be fair. Let's see what happens. If we just continue dumping, then obviously not. I'll try and get longs from down here, but if we hold 0.618 on ES, then I'd be interested, for sure. I'll be interested. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Nope, I didn't want that. I didn't want that. No, thank you. I really have to pee, I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, I mean, NQ is balanced. I've not even projected this properly, have I? There we go. Oh, that 2.5 lines up perfectly with 0.618. I think we're gonna come down to my little zone. I can feel it in my bones. Is this a 5 minute or a 2 minute? Yeah, it's a 2 minute. That is so clean. 0.618 and 2.5. Bang. Oh my gosh, I want to take the trade right now. Come on. Let's go. I want to take it right now. Oh, sorry, American accent. What should I say? Freedom isn't free, y'all. These colors don't run. Dead ass, bro. Freedom isn't free, y'all. I don't know what that means. If I just said something offensive, please don't take any offense, because I have no idea what that means. Yeah, sorry, I've put jingle bells in everyone's head. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. Sorry, y'all. If I was going to take the longs from here, I'd honestly take longs on ES. ES is just more bullish and has nicer fibs, so. Why is it not put my SMT in here? Ah, that is why. We have SMT with VS when we're on ES. There we go. Wait, have I just said something racist? Are you being serious? Andrew, if you've just made me say something racist, I'm gonna be so sad. Was that actually bad? No, stop. I feel so mean. Thank you. That's really nice, but if you've just made me say something racist, then I'm really sad. That's not in my nature. Oh, someone said that it's really racist. Okay, great. I really don't know what that means. Infamous Manos, thank you. I'll take a look at it after. Okay, it wasn't offensive. Okay, great. That really scared me then, I'm not gonna lie. I was like, shit. What did I just do? All right, we have the 1 hour candle opening right now. I want to draw out the CE of this wick. Did I draw that right? There we go. Oh, I just did something on the 1 minute, I think. Yes, I did. Yeah, the Starbucks I get can be anywhere between £5 and £7, especially if I get a large and I get some sort of funky flavor or something. Crazy. And I think £5 is like $7, I'm fairly sure. I'm not 100%, but I'm fairly sure. Well, would you look at that? Well, would you look at that? Our trade would have failed. I'm so happy. We protected capital. We fucking vibe while doing it. Doesn't get much better than that. I'm very proud of that. I nearly got caught in that, but I didn't do it, and I'm very happy about it. You nearly had me, yes, you nearly had me. I'm very close to these two -4s on NQ right now. We're very close. What's this? Looking like, or is that too big? Yeah, that's too big. All right. Oh my goodness. I love this. This is prime life. You can see how our CH zone still did give us a rejection. It just didn't hold. Oh, Andrew, you didn't have to do that. Thank you. I appreciate it. You use entry triggers. Yeah, I'll wait for 2 green candle closures out of this zone. And then I will wait for the retrace to 0.5. Come on, come down to my zone, please. Please. Ooh. Okay, we'll just come into that on NQ. Interesting. I'm cast a spell on you, but you won't forget me. I know I could have loved you, but you. Alright, we're there on ES. We're there on ES. I want to see whether this holds. Let's see what we can get. That wick, that's nice. Very nice. Right, I got a lock in. Everyone be quiet, I got a lock in. No talking allowed. I may have to get MES up on this side, honestly. So that I can take this on both again. Let's see whether we can get 2 green candle closures. And if we get them candle closures, I'm taking that shit. I'm taking that shit. Look at that wick. I love that. That's really clean. Oh, that -4. we got right here. Oh, the CH zone just might be the most goated shit ever. Might be. It might be. I don't know yet. It might be. I don't know why I'm saying this when the trade has not even, like, I'm not even in the trade yet. Never mind hit TP or anything. I'm not in the trade at all. Never mind break even. Never mind take profit. Never mind trailing profits. Never mind anything. I just think I'm sick because I drew a zone and it's rejected for one candle. Okay, let me have it. But you guys can see the power of these zones right now. The CH zones are goated. I've been telling you. I've been telling you. All right, looks like we got one green candle closure. I just need one more to take the trade. This is completely valid for me. Extremely validated entry going on. As long as we get one more green candle, there's nothing more I can do. It will be a plus. For sure. For sure. All right, well, that's not what I wanted to see, is it? That is not what I wanted to see. I'm not gonna lie. This better close green. I want to get NQ up right here. Oops. We just tap the top of the zone. So, you know, this doesn't look like it's going to close green, but this is still technically valid out of the zone. So if we can get 2 green consecutive candles now, then I'd still be interested. But we just like plummet through the pink zone without pushing higher, then I'm going to reassess for sure. But this is the importance of that 2 green candle closure. You can see that I could be so easily manipulated right here by just seeing this wick and this green candle closure, and it may want to manipulate again, or it may want to put in an SMT, whatever it wants to do. That's why I like the 2 green candle closure, 2 consecutive as well. If we put in an SMT here and push higher, I'd be happy with that, to be fair. All right, so this zone clearly didn't play out an NQ, so now I want to try find something else. All right, we have a -4 right there, to be fair. That's pretty nice. What about the order block? Okay, that's not too shabby. On NQ, to be fair. Okay, I like that. I like that. I may have to take entries on micros and minis at the same time, like I had to do yesterday, honestly. We'll see. Sorry, the screen may not be as clear for a minute just while I have both of these up so I can do my limits on both, because it only lets me risk 1 mini, and 1 mini on ES is not quite enough, but then 2 minis is too much risk, because I like to risk around $250, as close to $250 as I can get, really. Okay, we've had the push out of the zone again with the green candle closure, it looks like, so we just need 1 more green candle closure to be valid for us to take. Let's see what we get. We got stacked equal highs above us. We have Asia high still open on NQ. We have equal highs on both NQ and ES, and we're pushing out of 0.618 as well as standard deviation. So I'm pretty happy with it. I'm pretty happy. I like how the hourly candle's looking. Like, if we could push higher, I think that would be really nice out of an hourly fair value gap too. Okay, I'm just gonna draw out my fib so I know exactly where I'm gonna want my limit. So right now my limit would be right there. My stop loss right there. All right, I'm gonna bring that down 1. All right, we closed green. So we do it. That's 137 risk. And that's 137. Yeah, that's fine. Actually, maybe I'll do 9 micros on here. Maybe I'll do 9. Yeah, that's better. Okay, nice. Nice, we have our limits in place. We'll see whether it plays out. Or not. I'm feeling pretty anxious right now, and I don't know why. I usually feel anxious when I'm not taking a very good trade, but I feel like this is a very good trade, so I don't know why I feel anxious, but I do feel a little bit anxious. So I'm just acknowledging that. I like acknowledging that out loud, especially when I'm on the stream, so that I don't sound crazy to my neighbors and shit, but especially when I'm on stream, I like just acknowledging if I feel anxious in a trade, because then if you acknowledge it, you're more likely to remember it when you're journaling and things, and I just do feel anxious right now. So if this trade ends up being a bad trade and I'm not realizing in the moment, then I can acknowledge, okay, this was a bad trade. I did actually feel nervous while taking it, so maybe that's why. So yeah.
Order filled.
Okay, we got filled on micros, but not on minis. Which is great. Oh, I only got 5 of my micros filled too. Fantastic. We didn't actually rebalance, so it'll be fine. I think we'll be fine. If this just goes now, I'm gonna be pissed. I'm risking like $90 if that. No, probably like $60 because it didn't even fill all of my micros. But on minis, we haven't actually rebalanced, so I think we should be fine. I think we should still get filled. By the way, I'm not reading the chat right now. I'm locked. I don't like reading the chat when I'm like just entering a trade because people can be hateful, to say the least. Do I still have my limit there?
Order filled.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, now we're filled. Holy fucking shit. Bro. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Wait, what the fuck? Okay.
Order filled.
Guys. Holy shit. Oh my god, that's fucking hilarious. Did you actually just fucking see that? Holy oh my gosh, I'm literally panicking so bad. Oh my god. Holy that's insane. Oh my gosh, I have to check my trade sinker. I just made way too much money. I just made way too much money for my consistency rule. Holy fuck. I have some flex accounts. So we're good. Oh my god. Fuck. Guys, that's so crazy. That's hilarious. I have a fresh flex account which is now up over 1k. Holy shit. Oh my gosh, holy dub. Holy dub. I actually panicked so bad right there. Where did we get filled out? Right there. We just made 5.5R. And 4, oh my god. God damn. That's fucking crazy. I fucked my consistency so bad right now. That's hilarious. Smashed. We absolutely smashed the trade. Bro, I'm fucking like losing my shit right now. That's hilarious. Oh, that's so funny. Oh my days. We love Trump. This is the only time Trump has ever done me well. That's fucking crazy. Holy shit. We have to do a giveaway for that. We have to do a giveaway. No, I took this on 4 of my fundeds, guys. Holy shit. Let me show you my copy trader right now. That's crazy work. Oh my gosh, our P&L for the day is gonna be fucking mental, by the way. Like, absolutely mental. Oh. Oh my god, guys. Guys, I've done something really fucking stupid, guys. You're never gonna fucking believe this. Oh my god. No, I need a minute. I've done something really stupid. Guys. This is like a really good problem to have, but oh my gosh, guys, I forgot to turn off the copy trader for my alpha account, which is today legible for a payout. So now it is no longer legible because I've made too much money. I've fucked my oh my days. I'm gonna have to lose money on that account. I'm gonna do that off stream. I'm really gonna do that off stream. I'm gonna have to lose money or make more, but I prefer the idea of losing money and just do it on micros very slowly. That's hilarious. That is hilarious. Wait. What's my balance on my Lucid flat? Oh my gosh, I need to like figure my funded accounts out real quick. Just take smaller winning days. You think? Like, I was literally due a payout and I fucking forgot to turn my copy trader off. You can make it back slowly, don't lose money. Do you not think? I made so much, guys. Look at my fucking trade sinker right now. Let me share this with you. You're gonna be... This is crazy. Holy win streak on stream, guys. My trade seller is gonna look crazy. I'm so excited to see my trade seller right now. This is so funny. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna just add my trade sinker right now so you guys can see this, the state of this. Wait, let me just open up my trade sinker in a different window and just do... And then I'll have the YouTube live chat. Right there. Okay, are you guys fucking ready for this? Are you guys fucking ready to see my trade sinker right now? I don't think you are actually ready to see my trade sinker. I don't think you're ready. Hold on, let me just make it smaller. Look at the state of this. Look at the fucking state of this. Guys, are we serious? Holy shit. Holy shit. Wait, let me just move this and make it a little smaller. Holy fuck. That's so funny. Oh. Yeah, but the max payout on alpha is 1,500 anyway. That was off 9 micros and 1 mini. I executed on minis and micros. These are all funded accounts. I have to purposefully lose. AJ, do you know what fucking happened? I forgot to not copy trade my alpha account, so now I've fucked the consistency. I was meant to request the payout today, but I've fucked the consistency. That's actually fucking hilarious. That is over 5k. Holy shit. Should I FaceTime Hannah? Let's FaceTime Hannah trades right now. I'm gonna FaceTime Hannah trades. Guys, we're gonna do a giveaway to celebrate because this is fucking crazy. Please answer. She's on holiday, so she might not. I'm gonna forgive her if she doesn't, but I really want her to fucking answer right now. Oh, bro, I'm on stream right now, but I have to FaceTime you. Please fucking look at this. Please fucking look at this. Oh, look at my trades. But bro, I forgot to turn my copy trader off for the account that I'm eligible to request a payout on because I'm an idiot. So now I've booked the consistency rule.
Holy shit.
I was literally like this. Close.
Claudia. No, wait, Mum's like, what's going on?
Oh my gosh. Sorry, I just had to show you.
So, wait, so no payout?
Well, I'm either going to have to lose some or make more. I don't know which yet. Yeah, I might just have to lose some so I can request. I really don't know what to do. I might put a poll on my Instagram because I don't know.
Will this kind of work out in your favour? If you like lose a bit, you get more of a payout. No?
Yeah. Like I just have to lose it so that it matches consistency, but I don't know. I might message Daylo and be like, what do I do?
Oh, fuck. I mean, sick trade. No,
Thanks, I know. I'm actually a fucking idiot. But anyways, right, I'm going to go and do my giveaway. Hope you're having a nice holiday.
Okay.
The stream say hi. I assume they're a bit delayed, but I assume that they say hi. Right, guys?
Everyone say hi to Hannah.
It's Hannah. She's on holiday in Italy, living it up. Okay.
Yeah, well, okay. Enjoy your giveaway. Good luck to the winner. Woo!
Woo! Thanks, babes. Holy shit, that was the most insane trade ever. I'm so happy I have that recorded. I just saw Andrew sent me more money. Andrew, are you kidding me? 2 for 2 this week when I buy Claudia iced coffee via Super Chats and she then has an awesome trading day / stream. Coincidence. Andrew, you're the fucking goat. You're actually the fucking goat. Holy shit. I don't know whether to lose money or to continue growing the account really slowly. I really don't know what the best decision is. Like, I really don't. All right, guys. So where are we at in terms of likes on the stream right now? We're at 216 likes. Let's do 300 likes. We have 400 of you on the stream, guys. Let's do 300 likes and we'll do another 50k Lucid Pro giveaway. Come on. I know you all haven't liked up. Come on. That is the most insane shit ever. Holy crap. Holy smoke. That is insane. I want to... Guys. Holy fuck. Holy. Guys. Holy. Holy. So Lou, the 53k one is the alpha one. This is the issue that we have here. I forgot to turn off my copy trader for the alpha account, so I've now put the consistency on my account. So I either have to lose money or make more. I'm such an idiot. This is my first stream joining with you, made 2k. Guys, I want to reiterate that I don't want anyone to copy my trades. That is not the reason I stream. And if that was the reason I stream, I would not be so transparent about where I'm at in my journey. I'm still a beginner trader. I don't want you guys to lose money. This week, I've been on an insane winning streak. I feel like I've found my stride, but this could just be a winning streak, right? I could have a losing streak from next week. I do not want anyone to copy my trades. This is not financial advice. This is just for educational and for entertainment purposes. I really want to reiterate that. Please do not copy my trades. Make sure you are trading based on logic and your own analysis and not just because I'm taking a trade. I am not experienced enough for you guys to be doing that. Really, I'm not. I would lose it if it were just me slowly. Oh, really? Okay, you've done that before, Lou? All right, I might do that. Exactly. That's the risk you have to take if you're trading. Especially at these times, Trump could mess you up big time. I just got lucky today. I got super lucky today. All right. Where are we at? Exactly. That's what I'm thinking, Forgotten Trader. Like, I don't think I'll lose my... To be fair, I don't know whether to just trade normally. Because if I trade normally, I only risk 250, so I could end up losing it anyways. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm going to figure it out. So my Alpha Zero was close to 40%. It was on 39.6%, and now I've fucked it because I just made a K. I just made 1.2K on that account by accident. Oh no, 1.1K, sorry. Holy fuck, that was insane. That was insane. 40% of 3,000 is 1,200. So, I don't understand. I don't understand how much I'm gonna have to make for this to make sense. I really do not know. Yeah, I always trade pre-market. Yeah, exactly. It could have gone the other way just as easy. I've had that happen on stream a ton of times. That's why I want you guys to trade with your own conviction. Never just trade because I tell you to. Well, I don't tell you to, actually. So, you know. Oh, where did my trade sync one go? Hold up. There we go. Move that over. There we go. Oh, no, it's not back. Where did it go? There we go. Hello, where are you? All right, I'll just delete it. I'll just re-add it right now. That's actually hilarious. That whole, like, holy cortisol spike, genuinely holy cortisol spike. That was insane. Truly, really and truly, that was insane. But W's, this is not a bad problem to have, for sure. I'm not complaining, but I shouldn't have been copy trading that account because that could have gone the other way and blown my payout. So that was actually really silly of me and careless. Yeah, fibs don't work. Still at 53K, you've hit 40% consistency. Really? I wanna try check. Let me try and just see on Alpha Futures. I know it doesn't update, but so my biggest winning day is now 1.1K on. Let me see. I know it's not going to update probably, but you know, we'll see. Yeah, it's not updating, so I have no clue. Yeah, it hasn't updated. So my biggest day, so I have to do $1,155 divided by my balance, right? I might have met it, you know. We might be fine. I don't know how that's remotely possible, but we might be fine. Hold up. So 1,155 divided by my total profit, which is 3,034. That gives us 38%. I think we can take the payout. Wait, have I done that right? I think I did that right. Didn't I? My biggest day is what you guys can see on screen, the second one down. And then my profit is, then my balance is 53,034. Wait, I think we can fucking take the payout. We might be fine. That means I can take max payout. Holy shit. Let's fucking go. That's awesome. That is fucking awesome. We just made double the payout. We just doubled the fucking payout by accident. Let's fucking go. That is so goated. Guys, we're the goats. We are the goats. How many likes are we on, team? How many likes are we on? On 272 likes, guys. We're going to do the giveaway at 300. 300 likes. Come on, there's 385 people on here. You have to like the vid. You have to like the stream because you love me. Even if you don't, just like the stream because you want to win a free account, realistically. Yeah, to be fair, it went way faster than I expected, but I probably wouldn't have. I would never hold my trades to 5R. So there's no time limit on funded stage, no.
Hi. Guys. slowly.
You waited and did not take losses. Exactly. We were patient as fuck today. Guys, I nearly got faded out of here. I honestly nearly entered right here and we would have got fucked. So I'm so happy we were so patient. We really did that. I'm so proud of myself. I really am. Where are we at likes wise, guys? Come on. 5 likes away. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. The risk, I risked $250 on this trade and made 1.2k. I risked $250. That's insane. Come on, guys, we've got 5 more likes to go. 5 more thumbs up and we'll do the giveaway. Do the giveaway. Someone just unliked. You don't want a free Lucid account? All right. Do your goddamn... Do yourself. 299? We're so close. We're so close. We're so close. We're so close. Are we there? Did we do it? Did we do it? Did we do it? I'm refreshing. I'm refreshing. I'm refreshing. Nope, we're still on 299. We need one more like. One more like for the giveaway. Guys, come on. Bang, 300 likes, let's go. All right, guys, if you want to enter the giveaway, you must join the Discord community, which is linked in the chat. It's pinned from Alan, my amazing mod. Once you're in the Discord community, all you have to do is head to the announcements tab. It's 2 down from the welcome tab. And what you're going to see is you're going to see a tab like this come up any minute now from Alan. Alan's going to post that in the chat straight away. There we go. And you're going to just click enter right there on the tab. You guys have 4 minutes to enter the giveaway, so make sure to join up the Discord. Click enter in the announcements tab and the giveaway bot is going to pick a random winner for the Lucid 50k Pro account. Join the Discord, it's pinned in the chat, guys, from Alan. I'll put the instructions in the chat also. Oh gosh, I keep turning my caps lock on by accident. You guys got 3 minutes left. Boom, boom, boom. I really want to take this payout. I want to try take it, but I don't know whether I'll be able to. This wasn't a 3-day payout. This is it's a 5 winning days, I'm fairly sure. I've had this funded account for months. You know, I checked last night and I've had this funded account since February. Hannah Trades entered the giveaway. You know what? If she wins, I'm gonna re-roll it. She's not allowed this. I'm just kidding. Should I see whether I can request this payout right now? I'll screen record it. I don't know whether it'll let me right now. Screen recording for the aura, you know? I don't even think it's updated, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna go payout, trading payout, account, wise, 1,500, reason, payout day, baby, submit. Oh, it says it's not illegible. I don't know whether it has to update. I have no clue. Is my account number for this one 2026 01232 909? Yeah. Yeah, it says it's not illegible still. I don't know why. Maybe it has to update at the end of day. No idea. You don't wanna be high like me. Never really do right like me. Yeah, it hasn't updated. Maybe we can do it tomorrow. Oh, I have to wait till Monday? Damn it. Who's the winner? We got 30 seconds. Yeah, that's the Hannah. That's the real Hannah. Yeah, Hannah, I should be able to take my payout. I just doubled it by accident, but it turns out I still met consistency somehow. I don't really know why that maths works, but apparently. "10 seconds until we announce the winner." Here we go. Winner should come out. Boom! At VJ, you won the 50k Lucid Pro. Congratulations! Let's go! So, Hannah, I should be able to take max payout instead. Well done, VJ. Please open a ticket to claim your prize. So, guys, we've given away 4 accounts on this stream this week, and I've only streamed 3 days. I want to calculate how many R we've gained during this stream. We gained like 4 R on that trade average. Yesterday we did. Wait, I'm gonna go on TradeZella and we can count this shit up. All right. Let me just log into TradeZella so we can see how many R we did on stream this week. We've had full green week on stream, guys. It's been insane. Been literally insane. All right, here's my TradeZella dashboard. Let me make it a little bigger so you guys can see. Let me just resync. So this is, no, I want to do here, just for July. No, I don't want to do July. I want to do this week. Boom. Holy fuck. Holy shit. That's insane. That is insane. And I haven't even added one of my funded accounts, so it's more than that. I have to add another account. So we did Wednesday. We did 2R on Wednesday. We did 2R and then we also took an eval trade, which played. We did 2R fundeds on Wednesday. We did... What the heck is this? Long. That's like 2R. Okay, we did 2R and 2R. And then today we did 4R. So we've done like 8R on stream across 3 streams. That's fucking sick. That's so sick. I love it. What's going on here? I don't know what's going on here. But anyways, let me go back on the live chat. Appreciate you guys being here always. This is insane. I'm live trading right now, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, but I'm considering doing Tuesdays as well. What do you guys think? Should I do Tuesday too? Should I do Tuesday as well, or should we just stick to 3 days? I don't know what to do. Should I do 4 days? We could do that from next week if people want it, but I'm not doing it if people don't want it. Yes. Okay. Okay, fine. We'll do 4 days. I'm not going to do Monday to Friday because I have like filming and stuff that I have to do and it's a lot. Like I'll do Monday to Friday maybe in the future. Like I want to slowly increase it, you know? Not just all of a sudden I'm doing a 5 days, because the whole point of trading is for freedom. Like why am I doing fucking 5 days a week? Like I want to have a Monday to just vibe. All right, let's do Tuesday to Friday. Tuesday to Friday, every single week, 6:30 a.m. EST start until around 9:30. Today I'm hopping off early because we took the trade, it hit. I got nothing else to give you. I got nothing left. I'm gonna go enjoy the sun sunshine in the UK. We got a heat wave going on. I'm going to go enjoy my sunshine, enjoy my P&L and stare at it for probably an hour, edit my trade recap because this is going to be sick. But yeah, I appreciate you guys being here a lot. Thank you so much for joining me. More and more accounts are going to be given away next week, so make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to join the free Discord community. You can ask me any questions about my strategy on there. That is the best place to ask me. I check the general chat every single day, so I'll be able to get back to you. Instagram DMs and Discord DMs are not the one. I get so many DMs, I just don't have the time to go through them all. Not to sound like a prick, but I just do get so many DMs for some reason. So yeah, the Discord community is the best place to ask me questions about strategy, risk management, the stream schedule, giveaways, whatever. We do exclusive giveaways in the Discord very, very often, so you have more chances to win more accounts, and it's completely free. So yeah, make sure to join up. If you want to follow me on socials, my socials are on the screen right now. My Instagram is @claudia.trades, and my X account is just @claudiatrades. As I said, doing a giveaway on my X account, which is free to enter, so feel free to head over to X and follow me on there and enter. The instructions are on my recent post. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. What an amazing week of streaming. Genuinely my best performance on stream ever. So it's been so nice to share that with you guys, and let's do it together. I feel like we're a little community, so it's great. I love it. Like, this has been the best week of trading ever. So yeah, we're gonna go Tuesday to Friday now. Why not? Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, I appreciate you guys for joining so much. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Make sure to relax, spend time with family. I'm going to be donating to charity either today or on Monday. It kind of depends when I get the affiliate payout. So yeah, I will post all of the proof of that on Instagram. So yeah, appreciate you guys a lot. Hope you guys have a great weekend. I will enjoy my iced coffee, Andrew. Thank you. See you guys soon.